character. Right in the center, we have the fireplace, marble-clad, hardwood floors throughout, and on this side, we have the wet bar. If you want,
we have hardwood floors on this elevated section here, and I want to point out these unique wall sconces.
these were made from mufflers, which is super cool.
Overall, great space, and I love the volume here. You have curved lines throughout, mood lighting.
Off of the entry, we have a small seating area, beautiful millwork. I really like these leather-wrapped shelves.
Right in the center, we have the fireplace, marble-clad, hardwood floors throughout, and on this side, we have the wet bar.
Next to the wet bar, we have a half bathroom, all clad with marble, fabricated vanity design that looks gorgeous.
Built-in desk setup, modern light fixtures above, wall sconces, and this side faces the motor court.
It represents the city grid of Baghdad, which is super unique.
Every corner, every surface, and every material was chosen with intention, and you'll see why I'm so excited for this tour. Let's begin.
right, everyone. Welcome to Villa Curve de Lusso here on Palm Jumeirah.
And they also have outdoor lights incorporated to the floor here, which looks really cool at night. And this glass garage door tucks into the ceiling, revealing your 2-car garage.
And the end result is so unique.
You come up with a facade and interior spaces that truly set themselves apart. And lastly, you can see this wall and the other side curving into the property where we have the 2-story glass facade. And now, let's go in. The foyer of this property is light, airy, and as soon as you walk in, the first thing you see is the view of the water.
Out of 2,000, only 920 are garden villas, which are small beachfront homes like the one we're touring today.
Beyond that, also by law, you can't demolish any structures on Palm Jumeirah.
The Dubai market is growing and pushing the boundaries, and Palm Jumeirah is the most prestigious real estate in the city.
So this is where Alpago comes in.